Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. If this is your first time here, I'm John. I live in a van with my dog. If you've been watching my videos for a while, thank you. I appreciate it. I did a little upgrade to my countertop and my sink area. So I hope you guys like it. And I think it's pretty cool, man. I sunk my sink down a little bit so I can utilize the whole countertop. And then whenever I want to use the sink, I just move a piece of wood and there's the sink. This project is not finished, but I am really happy with where I am right now. So check it out. It's pretty cool. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, man. This is what I do. Live in a van full time with my dog. Do upgrades. My little van build. My log cabin on wheels. But yeah, man, check it out. It's pretty cool. So I cut the wood for over top of the sink, and I started working on the backsplash and the fairing strips so I can attach the paneling to the wall itself. I have insulation and plastic on the inside of that window. It's been really wet out, so I put down a towel so I don't keep on tracking a whole bunch of mess inside the van. But finished up the side right here. It looks really cool. And got the last few pieces of paneling on the wall itself. So just about ready to start burning some wood. I'm so glad that I'm at this point. I've changed the design on this countertop a few times already, and it's just working out a lot better for me this way. I have a lot more room as far as counter space, and then I also have the sink whenever I want to use it. So I'm really happy and pleased with this whole idea. It just works out so much better. Well, I got the first piece on the second wall around this outlet up. I can only go up a couple pieces on this because I'm not finished, obviously, with the ceiling and stuff like that. So I can only go up a few pieces on here. But when this wall is completed, it's going to separate, obviously, the counter from some more storage on the other side of this wall. So it'll be kind of cool. really like the way this looks. It matches with the rest of the wood that's on the inside of the van. I went a little dark on this piece of wood that's over top of the sink because it had writing on this side of it, so I went a little darker with it. But I like it. It looks really, really cool. I like the way it looks. But you can see, man, it looks pretty cool. It matches with the rest of it. But yeah, like I said, that's as far as I could go up with that sidewall right there. Just for now, because I need to build some storage above that and work on the ceiling and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I'm really happy with this. I love the way this looks right here, man. This is so cool. That darker spot right there on top. But I put in the wall plate on the outlet. I picked up some brown ones to match, you know, to go with the wood and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's looking sharp. I'm going to do something different with the backsplash. It's not going to be wood, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, it's coming together. It's looking sharp. So this is the access panel. Like I said in one of my other videos, I made this access panel so I can gain access to my outside shower and my valves to switch the water from the sink to the outside shower. So this worked out really well. I'm still gonna run some Velcro down the side. Well, here it is. Here's the sink. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I did not put the faucet on my sink for this reason exactly right here. So I put this little sprayer on here. But it works out well for me. And all I do is I'll just pull the sprayer out a little bit and I'll tuck it into the sink. And when I slide the wood back over top of it, it fits just fine. It works out well. Just tuck it in like this. It works out great. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate the new subscribers and all that stuff, man. If you like this video, man, you thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty unique. Give it a like, give it a comment, you know, all that good, happy stuff. I really do appreciate it, man. Until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Drive safe.